Welcome to Crypto Night. My name is Ife, and in this video I am going to show you how you can easily take profit in a trade. What I am about to show you would be very helpful when it comes to entering and exiting a trade smoothly. And also you should watch this video to the end because there will be a mind-blowing information I would show you. So with that said, if you are fired up right now, please hit the thumbs up and try subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot. Now let's jump right into the video. The way we are going to do this is by using an indicator. Now the indicator we are going to use is called the Fibonacci retracement. The Fibonacci retracement is an indicator that gives you different price levels between 2 points. These levels could either act as resistance or act as support. Now I am going to show you exactly how to use this indicator in the price chart because a lot of traders use this indicator and they profit a lot from it. They easily cash out using this indicator, and I am going to show you exactly how. Now let's go to the trading view price chart. This is trading view, and the asset we're looking at right now is called synthetics. This is the weekly time frame. To access this indicator, we would have to go to the left panel right here and click on it. Scroll down and select the Fibonacci retracement. The way to use this indicator, you would have to go from either a low level of the price to a high level of the price. Now when you do this, you will be finding support in the price. But when you want to find different resistance in the price, you would have to go from the high level of the price to the low level of the price. This can be a little bit confusing, but I'm going to show you exactly what I mean right now. Since we've already selected the indicator, we would have to go to the low point of the price, that is this place, exactly the lowest point right here. We would have to click on it, then stretch it out to the high point of the price, around this point exactly. Now if you look at this right here, you will notice that the price went up from this bottom to the top, and as you can see, it went exactly to a Fibonacci retracement level. Now the Fibonacci retracement level is called the 0.5 retracement level. As you can see, the price perfectly touched the 0.5 retracement level. At this level right here is where a lot of traders will be entering a long position because they know that this is going to be a perfect retracement level. When a trend goes up like this and starts to correct, a lot of people pay attention to the Fibonacci retracement level because this is where the price is going to retrace back to before a further move upward. If you use this Fibonacci retracement level, you will be in profit right now. This indicator has shown you how you can enter. Now I am going to show you how you can take profit using this indicator. For you to know where we can take profit using a Fibonacci retracement level, you would have to go from the top point right here and swing it down to the low point right here. Now when you do this, you would see that there are different retracement levels above the price. Now this is the first retracement level, which is the 1.618. Now this retracement level is a very common retracement level. This will be the first target when you use the Fibonacci retracement level. If the price breaks this level, the next point where you would take your profit is the next Fibonacci retracement level. That is around 55 USD. These are different levels you can use when you want to take your profit in a trade. A lot of people use this and they cash out a lot when using this indicator. You can use this indicator on any chart at all. Now let's go to the Bitcoin price chart. I am going to show you another example of the Fibonacci retracement indicator. Let's access the indicator. We would have to go from the high region to the low region of the trade. The price perfectly came to touch the Fibonacci retracement level. As you can see, the price blasted through the first retracement level and it went to the 2.618 retracement level. A lot of traders would take profit at this region because they know that when they swing from a high region to a low region, it gives them different levels to take profits. Now this is what a lot of traders use, and you can use this also. Now this is another perfect example of the Fibonacci retracement tool. One more thing before I wrap up this video, I am going to show you a mind-blowing information right now. What I am about to show you is exactly why the price stopped at this level right here. We'd have to swing from the high to the low point. This is the swing from the December high of 2017 to the November low of 2018 right here. And let's scroll up. You would see that the price came exactly to touch this Fibonacci retracement level, and this is where a lot of people took profit, exactly at this level. Perfectly. Test this indicator out yourself. Use it to benefit when placing your trades. This is going to be it for this video. I truly hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please leave a thumbs up and try subscribe to the channel. It really means a lot and I really appreciate it if you do. This is going to be it, and I am going to see you in the next video. Goodbye.